In this video, I'll show you how to quickly generate documentation for your Codebase. The page we'll be documenting is this properties details page. I'm going to go ahead and give a prompt here that says generate a new documentation page at /docs frontend /property-detail.mdx that outlines the property detail page, its subcomponents, all functionality, and any APIs that are present on the page. So I'll send that with the Codebase as context. And you can see here on the left the plan that the AI is making for generating documentation. I'm going to create the file structure, document the main component, detail the subcomponents, outline key functionality, APIs, etc. in format as Markdown, all as we asked it to. If we scroll down, we can actually see our new page here. This page should contain everything that we requested. You'll see the route to our page, the main component, all of our subcomponents and their features. Here are the key functionalities of the page, as well as the API used. And that's how you can quickly generate documentation for your Codebase.